The CKYSCHN F22 remote control airplane is designed to accommodate pilots of all skill levels with its 3 levels of flight assist and 1 key aerobatics function. With its realistic F22 fighter model design, the airplane features bright LED lights and a camouflage coating, enhancing both its appearance and nighttime flying experience. Enjoy extended flight sessions as this RC plane offers up to 37 minutes of flight time with its two 1000 mAh batteries. The plane's 2.4 GHz control system ensures a stable connection over a range of up to 390 feet, making it ideal for group flying adventures. A low battery alert and a beeping locator feature provide peace of mind when flying in challenging environments, ensuring the plane is easy to find and retrieve. The plane is fully assembled for immediate use, with a lightweight foam fuselage and durable silicone nose that minimize damage during landings and bumps.